our prophets, Moses Salam to messenger of Allah's no prophets. After him, he goes. Islam is come in the birth. His animal was born in the Ushkal Makkah. His father best every birthday, Elios's mother and Ajo studied back in Makkah, stand bite bad people. But Moses was a well-known Indian from Shaykhul Pepe Makapul M. Al-Amin which trust him. Allah stand him and Siraj messenger and age for me and his pettiness Makkah into Medina and age of 50 and spread around and Islam Moses guys age of 50 in Medina. Only Quran 30 men will have the Quran and meditations. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.